डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं डॉक्टर दीप्ति श्रीवास्तव, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, गवर्नमेंट डूंगर कॉलेज, बीकानेर, आज आप लोगों को जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल के बारे में कुछ और बातें बताऊंगी। आज हम सीनोज़ोइक ईरा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सीनोज़ोइक ईरा। द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ सीनोज़ोइक ईरा is the time of recent life. This is the age of mammals. This era has the span of time from 65 million years ago to the present day. It is further divided into two major eras as Quaternary era, also known as Age of Man, and Tertiary era, also known as Age of Mammals. सीनोज़ोइक ईरा का ड्यूरेशन रिसेंट लाइफ का है। इसको मैमल्स की एज भी कहा जाता है। इसका टाइम स्पान 65 मिलियन ईयर पहले शुरू हुआ था और अभी तक वर्तमान दिवस तक चल रहा है। इसको दो मेजर इराज में डिवाइडेड किया जाता है। क्वाटरनरी इरा, जिसे मैन की एज भी कहा जाता है, और टर्शरी इरा, जिसे मैमल्स की एज कहा जाता है। टर्शरी इरा। द टर्शरी इरा इंक्लूड्स द पीरियड्स प्लियोसीन, मायोसीन, ओलिगोसीन, इयोसीन। प्लियोसीन पीरियड का ड्यूरेशन 5 से 2 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो है। मायोसीन का ड्यूरेशन 25 से 5 मिलियन ईयर्स है, 5 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो है। ओलिगोसीन का 38 टू 25 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो है, और इयोसीन का ड्यूरेशन 55 से 38 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो है। सबसे पहले प्लियोसीन पीरियड। प्लियोसीन पीरियड का ड्यूरेशन 5 से 2 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो है। द सिग्निफिकेंट ऑब्जर्वेशंस ऑफ दिस पीरियड आर worldwide elevation continuous, continental uplift and mountain building. The ice age began. The seas were restricted. The world has experienced cool and dry climate. Many of the existing generation of mammals and recent molluscs appear. Homo habilis appears. The horses and elephants became almost modern in appearance. First known appearance of hominids, that is human-like primates, the large carnivores were dominated. Miocene period. The duration of Miocene period is 25 to 5 million years ago. The significant observations of this period are moderate ice house climate, extensive glaciation in southern hemisphere, orogeny in northern hemisphere, modern mammal and bird families become recognizable, horses and mastodons diverse, the first apes appeared. Whales, apes and grazing mammals dominated. Widespread volcanism and basalt flows were seen. Notable advances in the horses and elephant families. Spread of grasslands as forests contracted. Oligocene period. The duration is 38 to 25 million years ago. The significant observations of this period are: warm but cooling climate prevailed on the earth. There was a rapid evolution and diversification of fauna, especially the mammals and modern flowering plants. The early ancestral elephants appeared. The carnivorous and ungulates become well established. Eocene period. The duration of Eocene period is 55 to 38 million years ago. The significant observations of this period are: sea was marginal, there was extensive terrestrial sedimentation, reglaciation in South Pole happened. The dawn of mammalian dominance was seen. The subordinate position for reptiles happened. Moderate cooling climate was noticed. The archaic mammals flourished. The primitive whales diversity was seen. The first grasses appeared. Now, Quaternary period. It is a period of Cenozoic era which has been lasting from 1.8 million years ago to present days. In this period, the humans evolved as the most intelligent creature of Earth and took over. It is divided into two epochs, namely Pleistocene and Holocene. Holocene, the duration of Holocene is 10,000 years to the present time, and Pleistocene 1.6 to zero point 0.01 million years. Pleistocene period. The significant observations of this period are: the era of ice ages, glacial climate, four great ice advances and retreats, flourishing and then extinction of many large mammals. Evolution of modern humans was seen in this period. The significant observations of this period are: the era of ice ages, glacial climate, four great ice advances and retreats, flourishing and then extinction of many large mammals. Evolution of modern humans was seen in this period. The Heidelberger Man and Paleolithic culture started. The formation of large scale deserts, that is Sahara, was formed. There was planetary spread of Homo sapiens over Eurasia. There was extinction of many species due to ice ages. There was an extinction of many large mammals and birds due to humans. Holocene period, 10,000 years to the present. The significant observations of this period are: rise of human civilization, major habitat changes and deforestations caused by introduction of pests and habitat destruction. The beginning of agriculture happened in this period only. Humans built cities. Paleolithic and Neolithic cultures began around 10,000 BC. The word has been the following ages: Copper Age 3500 BC, Bronze Age 2500 BC, Iron Age 1200 BC. Man used iron implements in 1350 BC. youthful landforms and high order relief features were seen. तो आज हमने जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल के सभी पीरियड्स के बारे में पढ़ा। इस तरह से हम देखते हैं कि जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल की सहायता से हम अर्थ की पूरी हिस्ट्री में अब तक हुए इवेंट्स को जानते हैं कि क्या क्या घटनाएं अभी तक इस धरती पर हुई, कब कब कौन सी रॉक्स बनी, क्लाइमेट में क्या चेंजेस आए और कौन से एनिमल्स या प्लांट्स बने और किस पीरियड में वो फ्लरिश्ड हुए। इन सब की जानकारी हमें जियोलॉजिकल टाइम स्केल से मिलती है। थैंक्स।